Hi everyone, this is Easy Math. In this video, we'll see class 7 integers, exercise 1.5. The last two sums are left. We'll finish that in this video. Question number 8. During a drought, what is a drought? It's a dry season when there is no rain. Okay, when it is very dry without rain, that is called drought season. Drought, the water level in a dam fell 3 inches per week. What do you mean fell? It went down because it's too hot, no rain at all. So what happens to the water level? The water level reduces. Fell down means the water level reduced. It became less. The water became less in the ponds and in the dams and all. Okay, so it's in a dam. In a dam, water level fell 3 inches. 3 inches it fell. It decreased. It went down. Okay, per week or in per week, in 1 week, for 6 consecutive weeks. What do you mean by consecutive? Consecutive means continuous. 6 continuously. It was a very hot sun, no rain at all. So what happened? First week, the water level went down 3 inches. Second week, week 3 inches down. Second week again 3 inches. Third week again 3 inches. Fourth week again 3 inches. Like this, it went down for how many weeks? 6 consecutive, continuously for 6 weeks. The water level fell down means it went down. What was the change in the water level in the dam at the end of this period? What do you mean by end of this period? This period means after 6 weeks. The period is here 6 weeks. So what is the level of water after 6 weeks? We have to find, okay? So let us see the statements. Decrease in water level in 1 week. How much water level went down? Decreased 3 inches in 1 week. We are supposed to find, therefore, decrease in water level in 6 weeks. We know for 1 week. We have to find for 6 weeks. It is a simple mathematical concepts in word problems. We know for 1, we have to find for many. What it is? Multiplication. So 3 into 6 or 6 into 3. It will give you the same answer. 3 6 are 18 inches. So how many inches the water level went down? After 6 weeks, 18 inches the water level reduced. Okay. Now question number 9. Buddha was born in 563 BC. Another name for BC is BCE. BC means before Christ. Before Jesus Christ was born. Or another name is before common era. C for common, E for era. Before common era, BC, both mean the same. And died in the year 483 BC. Another name is BCE. Was he alive? Alive means was he living? He was living in 500 BC. He was born in 563, died in 483. Was he there in 500 BC? We have to check. And then find his lifetime. That is, lifetime is how many years he lived. What was his age when he died? We have to find. Okay, now let us see. I'll explain this. What is BC? What is BCE and all? See, we are in common era. Now we till the year is 2021. So what is it? This is 2021 years after the Christ was born. After Jesus Christ was born. First year, second year, third year, fourth year. Now 2021 years after Jesus Christ. Okay, that is known as, that is called, previously it was called as BC, before Christ. Before Christ was born. First year before Christ was born. Second year before, so first, it is on the left hand side, so we use negative sign. Before Christ, before Jesus Christ was born. So it is on the left hand side of the year where Jesus Christ was born. This is the year he was born. And previous years, it is on the left hand side, it will be negative, -1. So first year before Christ, second year before Christ, third year before Christ, it goes on and on like this. And after Christ was born, first year after Christ, second year after Christ, third year after Christ, it goes etc. Now we have reached 2021 now. Now previously it was before Christ, and then the name changed into BCE, means before common era. What we are in now, the year is called common era. See, if I have written here down, see, BC means before Christ. Another name is before common era. And CE means common era. And AD, it was previously, we were telling BC before Christ and AD after. Now this year is called as AD, means Anno Domini. Anno Domini, the abbreviation, the expansion of AD is Anno Domini. That is, now we call it as common era. These both mean the same, after Jesus Christ. Common era, Anno Domini, both mean the same. That is after Christ was born. Now BC and BCE, these both mean the same. They are before Christ was born. So when was Buddha born? 563 years BC. That means it is on the left hand side. He was born here. And when did he die? He died 483 BC. That is, he was born 563 years before Christ was born, and he died 483 years before Christ was born. Now the question is, was he alive in 500 BC? Where this 500? Just we have to check whether this 500 comes between the years he lived. He lived from minus 463 to minus 483. Where does this 500 come? Naturally, 500 comes between 500, 563 and 483, isn't it? 500 will it come between 483 and 563? So he was born in 563 and died in minus 483. That means 500 comes in between them. So definitely he must have been alive at 500 BC. So the question is, was he alive in 500 BC? We write yes, he was alive. He was... So we write yes, he was alive in 500 BC because 500 comes in between 483 and minus 563. And next is lifetime. What was his lifetime? That is, how many years he lived. He was born in minus 563 and died in minus 483. So how many years he lived? Otherwise, what was his age when he died? How to find that lifetime? How to find the lifetime of something or someone who died? From the year of death, we have to subtract the year of birth. Okay, so what is the year of death for Buddha? It was minus, he died in minus 483. So year of death is minus 483 BC and subtract year of birth. What is the year of birth? Minus 563 was the year of birth. So subtract minus 563 because it is in BC. It was before Christ. It is on the left hand side of the common era. So it is numbers are negative. So from minus 483 year of death, you subtract the year of birth minus 563. So what it comes now? Operation of integers. We have to remove the brackets first. Minus into minus plus 563. Signs are different. Subtract and put the sign of the greatest integer. Subtract 483 minus, 563 minus 483. 3 minus 30. From 6 we cannot cut, borrow. 16 minus 8 is 8. 80 years. So how many years he lived? What was his lifetime? How many years he lived? He lived for 80 years, and when he died, his age was 80 years. Here, children, along with the operation of integers, we are having one. We come to know about this BCE also. So this is just for our knowledge. BC means it was before Christ was born. It is on the left hand side. It goes in negative. And BC or BCE. BC before Christ. BC is before common era. And now the year we are counting. What the year is, common era is called. The present years is called common era. Another name previously it was called AD, Anno Domini. Now it is common era. We are in common era of 2021 year. 2021th year of common era. Okay, children, I hope you all got some idea about integers and also BC, AD and BCE, CE. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you all.